In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to enable two-step verification in Gusto. Adding this extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access, making sure your personal information and sensitive data remain safe. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to gusto.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or simply search for Gusto. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're on your Gusto dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Click on this profile drop-down menu. This is where you'll find various options related to your account settings and preferences. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Settings is your go-to place for customizing how your account functions and ensuring it suits your needs. Now that you're in the settings area, scroll down until you find the section labeled Two-Step Authentication. This is the feature that allows you to add an additional layer of security to your account. Here, you have a few options to choose from to set up your two-step verification. One popular choice is using an authenticator app. This option involves downloading a third-party app such as Google Authenticator or Authy on your mobile device. These apps generate a time-sensitive code that you will use to verify your identity every time you log in. It's a secure and efficient method, especially if you frequently use your smartphone. Another option is to receive a text message with a verification code. By selecting this, Gusto will send a unique code to your registered phone number each time you attempt to log in. This method is straightforward and convenient, especially if you always have your phone handy. Additionally, for an extra layer of security, you can add a photo ID backup. This involves uploading a picture of a government-issued ID, which can help verify your identity if you ever get locked out of your account. It's a good idea to have this backup in place just in case. Once you've made your choice, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you're using an authenticator app, you'll usually be asked to scan a QR code to link your Gusto account with the app. For text messages, you'll need to confirm your phone number, and for the photo ID backup, you'll upload your ID photo. After setting up your preferred method, make sure everything is working correctly by logging out and attempting to log back in. You'll notice that you now have to enter the additional verification code as part of the login process, which confirms that your two-step verification is successfully enabled. And that's it. You've successfully added an extra layer of security to your Gusto account by enabling two-step verification. Remember, keeping your account secure is crucial, and this simple step can go a long way in protecting your personal and financial information. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay safe and see you in the next video.